So it's pouring cats and dogs. Don't go out there, darling. I don't want you to get cold. You remember what happened the last time I went out there? I ended up very sick, so please don't go out there. It's pouring cats and dogs. Again.
They don't see it on the camera like we do.
Yeah, they don't see like we do on the camera. As my
But like
daughter would
there's
say.
a lot of drops coming down from the sky, and there's
Yep.
like a pit of wood.
I don't know if you can see the water on the ground, guys.
Yeah, but there's like a ton of.
Alright, I'm not gonna go out there like I did last time, get myself all. So you can see all that water pouring down in the gutter there.
Oh yeah.
Step back, darling. It's pouring. It's pouring, and this thunder has been thundering for so long. It's just like it doesn't pause, it just keeps going continuous. Don't go out there, I said. Charity. Charity, pick up one of this. Hold your hand out so I can show you. So that's one of the hail that fell.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's been pouring. But before it started to pour, it was thundering. Thundering. The thunder was just moving like when somebody is continuously moving their chair. I don't know if you can hear it now, guys. And if you look at that sky, it's so bad.
I feel bad.
And my son and my daughter are at school. I don't know how they're going to get home, especially Destiny that has to walk so far.
Well, I think she brought her umbrella.
Yeah, but that won't protect her from this.
Yeah, but I forgot my umbrella at school.
Yep, guys, so I just wanted you to have a little look at what it looks like. I don't know if you can get the full feel or if you can hear the thunder that's going. It's constantly rumbling. Yep, and I just want to give a shout out to my neighbors as well. They cut my garden this morning. So much appreciated because it was so high. And with this rain pouring down now, it will be so worse. Yeah. Yep. But the rain is pouring and the FedEx man is still have to be delivering. Oh, shout out to the FedEx guys. Oh, poor man. He's out in the rain. Oh, no. He's out in the rain. Oh, he doesn't know that he can get sick. Oh, FedEx, come on. You need to treat these workers better.
He's wearing shorts
Oh, no. He's going to be so wet.
Like, no one expected this.
Oh, my neighbor left their door open.
Oh,
Their garage door open. Their things are getting wet. I guess the rain just came down, so suddenly they had to run. Woo! And this person is speeding down the road like they're trying to get home before they get wet, but it's already too late. Oh, I'm so sorry for that FedEx man.
I'm so sorry to have to walk home.
Oh no. So guys, it held up for a little bit and now it's pouring right back down again. Who is screaming? I hear somebody screaming.
I think it's the kid that I'm glad I didn't go to school today.
I'm glad I didn't send you. Now it's just your brother. Oh no. Oh, FedEx, man. He's looking at me. Oh, he's stopping here. Is he coming to my house? No, he's probably coming to that next door.
They always get hacked. Like you're watching.
Oh. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Oh, the lady.
He needs a warm bath when he gets home.
And the lady.
Yeah, my neighbor up there, oh, she's getting wet.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
But I guess she's right at our house, so she'll just step inside.
I do love this photo.
You're gonna need a warm bath when you go home. Oh, be careful, don't get sick. I pray you don't get sick. Aye, aye, aye. Yeah, oh, you can say that again. I lift my hats off to you though. They should pay you guys more. Aye, aye, aye. Charity, don't play with the rain. I mean, don't play in the rain. Hi there. You see the FedEx man delivering your thing in the rain? He's so soaked. Did you lock yourself out? Oh, okay. All right, later. I'm going inside now. I was videoing the hail and the storm. It's just the painting. It should wash off anyway. That's why I give it the permission. Anyway, guys, that's it for now.
Yeah, but it was so beautiful.